Do you want to know how you can log out of your account in v.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your account in v.io. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account. Now, in order for you to log out of your account, you need to click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and you can see logout. If you click on logout, you will be instantly logged out of your account. So all you need to do is open v.io, log into your account if you have one, and then click on profile. After you click on profile, you can see logout. Click on logout, and as you can see, you have now been logged out of your v.io account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.